How to make goat curry. Peel the garlic and use the grinder to crush the garlic. Peel the onions. I'm using for onions. Either you can crush them or you can roughly chop it, and also add roughly chopped ginger. Wash the goat pieces with water couple times. After wash the goat pieces, put it in the full basket. Or take out the extra water out. Put homemade desigi butter around to big spoons and leave it for a while until butter fully melted. After butter fully melted, add cardamom, dry red chili, dry methi leaves, cloves, black pepper, black elaichi cardamom into the big pan, and after all the ingredients cooked little. On the other side, make other stuff ready like ginger, garlic, onions, tomatoes, and green chili. After all the ingredients cooked, add chopped onions. When onions turn light brown, add roughly chopped ginger and green chili. Mix well. After that, add fully chopped garlic and all the ingredients. Mix well. When all the ingredients cooked well, go for next step. Next, add dry kasuri methi leaves and mix well. After that, add the roughly chopped tomatoes and mix. When roughly chopped tomatoes half cooked, add salt, turmeric powder, warm spices, garam masala, little bit amchur mango ground powder spice, and DG merch powder, crushed red chili, and mix well all the ingredients. Subscribe. It's so easy. Share. At the end, turn off the cooking stove. Goat curry can serve with rice, roti tortilla, or bread.
Oh.